Hey, Cactus crew, how you guys going? Thanks for tuning in. And if you're new, hi, I'm Cactus Bill. Welcome to my channel. Katie enjoys picking up that shovel. She enjoys digging for gold, what she thinks is gold. She loves to say that she is a journalist and she is reporting on public interest. Tell me, what kind of public interest is anyone's financial records, real estate, and all that? No one needs to know that. But Katie doesn't know boundaries. This is important to point out, and it makes my stomach just sink what she can get with her son being disabled. I strongly believe that he doesn't need the feeding tube for life. I do not believe it's a permanent disorder, which she has made it out to be. I'll list all the links below. There's a playlist, CB's focus on feeding. And then her articles are also important to listen to because she goes on and on and on about how she doesn't have time and patience to sit there. Everything that comes out of my mouth is my own opinion. So I've just scrolled down the page, cut out most of it so you don't need to see her address and all this. This is just where she lives. Property taxes, homestead exemptions, the more detailed site. And the critical information on this page is under class 201 1A/1B/4BB residential single unit. You will never guess what 1B is. The 1B classification provides a reduced tax rate for homestead property of any person who qualifies as blind or permanently and totally disabled. Also be a dependent. And look, this is what you need to do to qualify. You need to own the property, which makes it a homestead. Yes, check. Provide documentation to prove that you are either blind or permanently and totally disabled. What constitutes as disabled? An individual who is permanently and totally disabled must be receiving payments from a qualifying agency because of their disability. And she has the Medicaid and the disability income. They've also got the caregivers. The paid carer can be the parent. All that contributes to, it being permanent. And then getting the feeding tube, saying that it's permanent, that he can't eat, he can't swallow, he can't digest his food. So that's permanent. Then you've got, she's got, autism qualifies as a disability. Also his hypopituitarism. As long as she remains his caregiver, as long as B does not move out, she will forever get this benefit with the taxes. That's why she wants to get the guardianship in place so that as soon as he turns 18, he doesn't even get breathing space. She's already still got control of his rights. Because if he decides to live independently, she misses out on so many other benefits. These are the tax credits, deductions, programs that individuals with disabilities may qualify in Minnesota. Child dependent care, homestead, property tax refund. You're allowed a subtraction against household income. The subtraction amount is $4,450 for tax year 2022. For homeowners, you may qualify for a subtraction to reduce your household income. This subtraction may increase the amount of your refund. Application provides a reduced class rate for homestead property of any person who qualifies as blind or permanently and totally disabled. The 1B property tax classification provides a reduction in property taxes. Who's eligible? Permanently and totally disabled. A condition which is permanent in nature and totally incapacitates a person from working at an occupation which brings the person income. An individual who is permanently and totally disabled must be receiving payments of qualifying agency because of their disability. Qualifying applicants will receive a reduced property tax classification rate. The first $50,000 market value has a class rate of 0.45% of its market value. The remaining market value has a class rate of 1% up on 500,000 and 1.25% above that. Example, assume you own a home with a taxable market value of 200,000. the first 50,000 of that value is taxed at a rate of 0.45% instead of the normal 1%. Wow. What do you guys think? I'll link all this below. I would like to discuss it further. Please give this video a like, subscribe, share, comment below.